Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to the second installment of our thermal series. Before we dive into the world of chemical handwarmers, let me throw out the friendly disclaimer. This series goes full throttle into my nerdy side. We're talking graphs, charts, but some seriously cool tech. If you caught the first video, you already know we are armed with the amazing FLIR E8 XT as our thermal imager of choice. Now, with winter's chilly breath sweeping through Alberta, it's time to unravel the mysteries of chemical handwarmers. Here is the burning question. Does the duration of shaking impact the heat they generate? Now, as always, we are employing the tried and true pseudo-scientific method to uncover the truth. I liberated two handwarmers from their protective plastic sleeves, giving one a brisk 4-second shake and the other an extended 30-second shimmy. What followed was a meticulous measurement of temperatures over the next half hour. And don't fret, no handwarmers were harmed during the making of this video. My lovely bride gladly accepted some extra warmth post-experiment. Now let's dissect the results. Initially, both handwarmers started out at an equal temperature, but soon after, a noticeable divergence emerged. At one intriguing point, it seemed like they might sync up, teasing convergence. However, the one given the royal treatment with a 30-second shake maintained a distinct warmth throughout the experiment. Even hours later, I could still discern which one had received the longer shake. So here's the scoop. For maximum warmth, give your chemical handwarmers a hearty shake for at least 30 seconds. If there are enough requests, maybe we can try again, but shake more chemical handwarmers for longer to see if there's a point of diminishing returns. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.